Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Raghuveer Jha. I am going to teach about factors. Factor of a given number divides that number exactly. For example, 7 and 4 are the factors of 28 because 7 and 4 divides 28 exactly. That means remainder remains 0. Let us divide 12 apples into different groups such that each group should have equal number of apples and there should be no apple left out. Then apples can be divided among these groups as shown in figure. One into 12 is equal to 12. That means a group contains 12 apples. In another group, 2 into 6 is equal to 12. That means 6 apples contain 2 groups. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. That means there are 3 groups of 4 apples. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. That means there are 3 apples in 4 groups. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. That means there are 2 apples in 6 groups. And 12 into 1 is equal to 12. That means there are 1 apples in 12 groups. Thus we observe that 12 apples can be arranged in different groups having 12, 6, 4, 3, 2 and 1 apples in each. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are called the factors of 12. If we divide 12 by each of its factors, there will not be any remainder left. That means remainder is 0. In order to find the factors of a number, we divide the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For example, to find all the factors of a 30, we divide it by 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 15 and 30 respectively. In all these cases, we find remainder is 0 as shown in the following division. Therefore, factors of 30 are 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5 and 6. Thus, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30 are the factors of 30. There are another method also to find the factor of given number. In this method, we make a list of all the factors of a given number as shown in the following sum. For example, 1 into 30 is equal to 30, 2 into 15 is equal to 30, 3 into 10 is equal to 30, 5 into 6 is equal to 30, 6 into 5 is equal to 30, 10 into 3 is equal to 30, 15 into 2 is equal to 30, 30 into 1 is equal to 30. In all these cases, we make a list as shown in the figure. Then we observe that the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. In the same way, we can write factors of 48 are 1 and 48, 2 and 24, 3 and 16, 4 and 12, 6 and 8. And in another way, we can say it also as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48 are the factors of 48. 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. So we can take 2 factors in all number 1 and that number in their factors. Now we solve some problems of worksheet 5. In question 1, we observe that question is that is 7 a factor of 77? We know that 7 divides 77 by 11 times, that means remainder will remain 0. So 7 is a factor of 77. In another question is asking that is 8 a factor of 62? No, 8 is not a factor of 62 because 8 does not divide 62 exactly. The remainder remain left 6. Quotient is 7. So a number is said to be factor of a given number if on dividing the remainder is 0. Now in question 2, we have to fill in the blanks. For example, in question A, 2 into 7 is equal to 14. Here we observe that 2 and 7 are the factors of 14. In question B, 3 into 8 is equal to 24. That means we feel 3 and 8 are the factors of 24. In question C, 7 into 8 is equal to 56. So we fill in the blanks 7 and 8 are the factors of 56. Write all the factors of the following numbers in A 12, B 38, C 35, D 27 and in E 32. We observe that factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 38 are 1, 2, 19, 38. Factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, 35. Factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9, 27. Factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Now I give you some problems to solve in class. For example, you have to solve these problems and show me it. Is 9 a factor of 77? Question mark. In B, is 12 a factor of 120? Question mark. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 4 and 5 are dash of 20. In question B, 6 into 7 is equal to 42. 6 and dash are the factors of 42. In question C, 9 into 8 is equal to 72. So dash and dash are the factors of 72. In question D, 6 into 9 is equal to 54. So dash and dash are the factors of 54. In question E, 24 into 5 is equal to 120. Dash and 5 are the factors of 120. In question 3, write all the factors of the following numbers. The numbers are in question A 16, B 20, C 80, D 45 and in E 96. Now I give you some questions in homework. You have to complete the worksheet 5 of chapter 3 in homework, and also you have to solve all these problems which are given. For example, write all the factors of the following numbers in A 50, B 88, C 71, D 84, E 46, F 72, G 60, H 98, I 28, J 14, K 56, I 66. Thank you, all of you. Have a nice day.